How to check saved password on Facebook. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application Gmail. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now head over to manage your Google account. Once you're in this page, move into security. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the option of Password Manager. Click on Manage Passwords. So right here, if the password of Facebook is saved, then the Facebook will be available to you. But right here you can see it is not available, which means that I haven't saved any of the password. But for you, if it is available, then simply click on it. Enter the password of your Gmail account and then click on Continue. And there you go. Here you will be able to see the password of your account. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.